of course. Here's a YouTube script you can use for your channel FK iPhone, about the 2025 Oppo F23. It's kept natural, without headings or quotation marks or number clutter, --. Welcome to FK iPhone, the place where we dive deep into the latest and hottest gadgets. Today we are talking about the brand new Oppo F23 2025 edition. If you are thinking about upgrading your phone or just love checking out new tech, you are in the right place. Starting with the design, the Oppo F23 looks stunning. It has a slim, lightweight body with smooth curves that feel great in the hand. Oppo has clearly focused on giving it a modern and premium feel. The back panel has a beautiful matte finish that not only looks stylish but also resists fingerprints, which is a big win for everyday use. You can get it in some amazing colors this year, all of them giving off a classy vibe without being too flashy. On the front, you get a large bright display that stretches almost edge to edge. The bezels are extremely thin, making the viewing experience more immersive whether you are gaming, watching videos, or just browsing. Oppo went with an AMOLED panel this time, so colors are vibrant and blacks are deep. It supports a smooth refresh rate which makes scrolling feel buttery and gaming a lot more responsive. Under the hood, the Oppo F23 is packed with some solid features. It comes powered by the latest Midrange chipset from Qualcomm, which means you can expect smooth performance whether you are multitasking, gaming, or just using it for everyday apps. The phone handles everything without breaking a sweat. Oppo has also improved the cooling system this time, so even during longer gaming sessions, the phone stays cool and performs consistently. Talking about the camera setup, the Oppo F23 does not disappoint. On the back, you get a triple camera array designed to capture stunning photos and videos. The main camera takes detailed shots with good dynamic range even in challenging lighting. There is an ultra-wide lens that lets you capture more in a single frame, perfect for landscapes or group photos. Plus, a macro sensor for those close-up shots that actually come out clear and sharp. On the front, the selfie camera is equally impressive, delivering sharp and vibrant selfies. Oppo has packed in tons of features like portrait mode, night mode, and AI enhancements to make sure your photos always look social media ready. Battery life on the Oppo F23 is another strong point. It comes with a large battery that easily lasts a full day even with heavy use. And when you do need to recharge, the super fast charging tech gets you back to full power in no time. No more waiting around plugged into a wall for hours. On the software side, the Oppo F23 runs the latest version of Color OS based on Android. The user interface feels smooth and clean with lots of customization options. Oppo has also included features like enhanced privacy controls, better app management, and smart tools to make everyday use more convenient. One small detail that a lot of people will appreciate is the inclusion of a headphone jack. While many brands are dropping it, Oppo decided to keep it, which is great for those who still prefer wired headphones. You also get stereo speakers that deliver loud and clear sound, making media consumption even more enjoyable. Now if we talk about the overall experience, the Oppo F23 delivers amazing value. You get a premium design, a beautiful display, reliable performance, excellent cameras, and great battery life all packed into one device. Oppo really knows what users want and they have nailed it once again with this model. So if you are someone looking for a phone that looks good, performs well, and does not break the bank, the Oppo F23 should definitely be on your list. It is perfect for gamers, content creators, students, or just anyone who wants a solid all-rounder without the crazy flagship price tag. That wraps up today's review. Let me know in the comments what you think about the Oppo F23. Are you planning to buy it, or are you waiting for something else to drop later this year? If you enjoyed the video, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe to FK iPhone for more awesome tech updates, and I will see you in the next one. Would you like me to also give you a short version you can use for Instagram or YouTube Shorts?